the New York Times actually came out with an editorial from the editorial board saying that free speech is important. Now, that's amazing that the Times had the guts to stand up for free speech because, they're the people. Well, what's been happening with the Times is that they've allowed Twitter to become the editorial board. Twitter has control over the New York Times, and the New York Times literally will change papers. I have an essay in Politico with Nadine Strossen, Steve Pinker, and Pamela Presky on how the New York Times retracted and changed an editorial by Bret Stephens, and they did it in a sneaky way, and they lied about it. And they did this out of fear because he mentioned IQ. He mentioned IQ and Jews. And then he went on to say, that it probably isn't a genetic thing, it's probably cultural, but he mentioned it. Yeah. And the New York Times, they were just really cowardly. Now, I think from what I hear, they know that they were cowardly. They know that they should not have fired James Bennett. They know that they gave in to the mob. And that's why they're now poking their head up above the parapet and they're saying, we think that free speech is important. And then, of course, they got their heads blown off because, Twitter reacted like, how dare you say this? Are you saying racist speech is okay? But they didn't back down. They didn't retract it. They didn't apologize for defending free speech. So I think the Times might be coming back.